What's up, my Made to Move mates? We've got some new Made to Move dolls on the market, and that makes me curious. What kind of bodies do they have? Do they have new skin tones? Which dolls would they be good body donors for? If those are your questions too, then you've come to the right place. The new Made to Move dolls that we're going to look at today are the boxer and the basketball player. We actually already have a Made to Move basketball player who's on a tall body, so I call her the tall basketball player. And this new basketball player has a blue outfit, so we're going to call her the blue basketball player. Plus, in addition to these two new sports Made to Move dolls, there was also a Target exclusive doll released a while ago, and this is what she was called on Target.com. So I have been referring to her as the service dog Made to Move doll. She comes with a service dog and a wheelchair. I'm not sure if that's going to be her official name, so if you can think of a better one, let me know. Anyway, since she is a new Made to Move doll, I figured I'd put her in this video as well. So let's take a closer look. Before we unbox these dolls, let's take a closer look at their packaging. Both of them are on a very pink-centric background and have artwork of the dolls on the front as well as photographs of the dolls on the back. Let's get these dolls out of their boxes. First up, let's take a look at the boxer Made to Move doll. She's on an original body and has the same face mold as Fashionista 182. They look very similar, both have brown hair, brown eyes, and a pretty close skin tone, though not exact. A lot of the dolls with this face mold look like this, and even though Mattel doesn't name many of their dolls anymore, I feel like this face mold is kind of the modern day Teresa. As a boxer, her outfit is a sports bra that velcros in the back and shiny, high-waisted boxer shorts that slip on. Shoe-wise, she comes with bright pink boxing shoes. She also comes with white boxing gloves. She looks a little too smiley to be a boxer, but I think she's got some spunk in her. However, since she's so visually similar to Fashionista 182, she's destined to be a body donor for me. Next up, the blue basketball player. She has the Asha face mold and is also on an original body. Her black hair is in a high ponytail and is a little unevenly cut. That shouldn't be too hard to fix. She wears a light blue basketball jersey with a 59 to represent the year Barbie was created. She also has basketball shorts, since she is a basketball player. The shirt velcros in the back and the shorts slip on. She also has pink tennis shoes, but they're too big for her and are actually shoes for tall/curvy dolls. I don't know why they did that because she's an original doll, not a taller or curvy. Her accessory is a basketball with a finger hook, so she can easily hold it. She is a cute doll, but again, not extremely unique either in face mold, hairstyle, skin tone. I was hoping she'd be a tall Made to Move doll since we don't have a tall in her skin tone. However, since that's not the case, she will definitely end up as a body donor as well. Next up, the Service Dog Made to Move doll is also an original and shares the face mold of Fashionista 160. At first, I wasn't quite sure that she had the same face mold since she has a different look overall, but the head mold date confirmed it for me. Her outfit is one piece, even though it looks like a separate cami and jean skirt, and it velcros in the back. I do wish it was separate because the top is adorable. She has white platform shoes and comes with several accessories, including these purple sunglasses. The doll comes with a wheelchair and a service dog. The service dog has a harness, a detachable leash, a collar, and 2 dog bones, although I dropped one and I couldn't find it. Her other accessories are her pink hip bag and cell phone, plus she has a ramp for the wheelchair. Her face is very pixelated, so I haven't decided whether she's going to keep her body or whether she will end up as a body donor as well. Last, surprise, the Kristi Yamaguchi doll. I happened to buy her while I was in the process of working on this video, and since she's also Made to Move, I thought I'd include her in this video. She has a gold stand to represent, well, I suppose, probably supposed to represent the gold medals that she's won as an Olympic athlete. Kristi is on a petite Made to Move body, which is very exciting, and she has the Olivia face mold. I just love her soft makeup and beauty mark on her face. She's absolutely gorgeous. She comes with removable earrings and her hair is styled in that iconic, voluminous 90s ponytail and bangs. There's quite a bit of product in the hair to keep it in place, but I don't mind it, and I love the bow in her hair. She wears a black and gold figure skating outfit with a ruffle that velcros in the back. The outfit as a whole feels a bit loose to me, but maybe they were trying to be accurate to the original outfit. She also has ice skates with painted tracks and comes with a beautiful plastic bouquet. I love watching Olympic figure skating, heck, anything Olympic, and Kristi Yamaguchi is a legend. Plus, she's a Barbie with a new petite Made to Move body. She was a must-have for me, and she's definitely going to keep her head. Now, for what you really want to know in this video. What are these dolls' skin tones, and which dolls can they be body swapped for? Spoiler, all the dolls match existing skin tones out there. The boxer shares a skin tone with the green pants Yoga Made to Move and the purple marbled pants Yoga Made to Move, which means she fits into this skin tone family. This skin tone is very close to the floral bun Yoga Made to Move, but it is a hair lighter. The blue basketball player shares a skin tone with the purple pants Yoga Made to Move and the pink marbled pants Yoga Made to Move. It's a pretty common skin tone that's so close to the yellow top that I consider them all to be as part of the same skin tone family. The doll with the service dog is also in a pre-existing skin tone that matches the floral bun Made to Move. This includes all of these dolls here. Finally, Kristi Yamaguchi has the same skin tone as the purple top and the curvy floral Made to Move Yoga. But she's the first petite in this skin tone. This skin tone is very close to the tennis player, but with more pink undertones. However, the tennis player and the purple top are so close that I've grouped them all together as a part of the purple top skin tone family. My final thoughts on these dolls is that they are destined to be body donors. While the heads are very cute, they're pretty much dolls that we've already seen before. When Mattel releases new Made to Move dolls, I'm always hoping for either new body types or new skin tones so that the dolls that don't have a Made to Move body donor at this time, then we'll get one. But all three of these dolls have pretty common Made to Move skin tones and body types that have already been seen in these skin tones, so that didn't happen with this wave of these sports Made to Move dolls. However, that does mean that these skin tone body type combinations remain easy to access, and since they're pretty common in less articulated dolls as well, it is a good thing to continue to have them on the shelves so that it's easy to body swap dolls in these skin tones. Do you have any body swapping plans for these dolls? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll catch you in my next video. Do you have any body swapping plans for these videos? Let me know in the comments down below.